Crochet Summer Vest Tutorial. Stylish DIY for warm weather. Part 4.
Okay, so we have finished with tying these dangly bits off, and now we are moving to the last step. It will be the little straps. So I roughly mark where I want them to be, and what I decided to do is to make them adjustable. So what we'll do 4 straps like that, just loose straps from here up, and then we will tie them together in a little bow. And again, it depends what size you are. You need to measure to be able to go down up to the shoulder, and then to have plenty of the actual strap to tie in a bow. So I will show you it's exactly. So I have marked where to start with the straps. Chain 1, and I'll go 1 small. So this will be a different strap I want to show you. Then we chain 1. Then for the next one we'll go through this first, pull through, and then I'll do again chain 1, go back to the first 2 loops, so this is how we're going to have a little bit thicker strap. Chain 1, go in this first bottom loops, this little bit loose, chain 1, and this is how you go until you've reached your desired length. Keep doing the same thing. I will speed up the rest. So you need to know how much is to go up to the shoulder, and then you need to leave more length to tie it up. Okay, let's finish these little straps. We need to hide these ends, and we are finished with our absolutely gorgeous project. I'm so excited, I can't even speak. I think it turned up really, really lovely. And you can design your own actually. You can just, if you like certain stitches, you can just put it together and make your own design. This is how I did the two ends. And now go ahead and do the other three straps. Just hide this one, and I will meet you at the end to tie the little bows. Okay, so we have completed our gorgeous top. Let's tie the straps. Here's our gorgeous vest. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.